everybody, it's me, Jara B, and I want to thank you for clicking on this video. Also, I want to say how much I appreciate all of my existing subscribers and all of my new subscribers. I want you guys to know that I can't do this without you, so thanks so much. I am going to try to make this video quick. I just wanted to share with you guys a haul, sort of like a beauty haul, and from Walgreens and Target, and then I purchased a bag from Amazon. So let's get right into it, shall we? Let me start with the two items that I purchased from Walgreens. The first item is this Milani Rose Prep and Brighten face oil. It looks like this. So fall is amongst us right now, you guys. I love fall. Fall is my favorite season. So since the cooler temperatures are amongst us, I am constantly battling to stay hydrated, both inside and outside of my body. So yeah, this is a face oil I wanted to try. The second item from Walgreens and the last item is this Milani Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. It looks like this. I've already tried it. This is very, very, very oily. I liked it, and it will be in my beauty regimen for all winter long because I wear highly pigmented lipsticks. So when you are wearing, and I prefer matte lipsticks, I know I have dry skin and I like to wear matte, which is kind of like a dry lip products, because it's just what I like. I have kind of like discoloration in my lips, and so I prefer a highly pigmented lip product. And so when you wear those type of lipsticks, you have to keep your lips moisturized and flake free. So that's what I'm trying to do with this product right here. So that is all from Walgreens. Then I want to show you guys a few things that I purchased from Target. Mostly I purchased fragrances. So let me get started with this product here, which is this organic coconut oil. And you might ask, Jara girl, what you gonna do with all of this coconut oil right here? Well, let me tell you, I use this in my beauty routine. And the way that I use this product is I put it on my feet, and I take a little bit and I'll put it on my around my eye area to try to help just keep my crow's feet that are forming, just kind of like try to keep those at bay as best I can by keeping it moisturized. And also I noticed that when I put a little bit of this on my eyelashes seem to really like coconut oil, just a little bit, y'all. I just put it around and on my eye and go in and make sure that my eyelashes are lightly evenly coated with a little bit of this. And I don't know why, but my eyelashes respond very well to this. I don't know, it's weird. And then I'll also use it as a makeup remover. I'll put a light amount on my face sometimes, not all the time. It is not my main makeup remover, but it is what I use most of the time to remove those highly pigmented lipsticks that can sometimes stain my lips, and they're very difficult sometimes to get off. So I noticed that when I use something oily to remove the highly pigmented lipsticks, that seems to really help. So that's what I use coconut oil for, okay? And then continuing on with Target, this is a Burts Bee conditioning lip scrub in mocha, and it looks like this. And I've tried this one as well, and it tastes like coffee to me. I really like the way this one tastes better than the I'm not eating it or anything, you guys. I'm just putting it on my lips. It tastes like a chocolate coffee in my opinion. So I really like the way this one tastes a little bit better. So I'm gonna really work on trying to keep these lips moisturized. And then the next thing that I purchased from Target is my very first lip oil, and it looks like this. It's from Winky Lux, and this is the color, did I say already? Flush. Looks like this, and I paid more for this than what I really wanted to. This was $18. And then when I tried it, I did like it. This is what it looked like. Doe foot applicator on here. I liked it. So yeah, my very first lip oil from Winky Lux. Okay, and so my next couple of items come from, there's 3 fragrances I want to share with you from Mix Bar. And the first one is this one. Is called Cloud Musk. And real quick, Cloud Musk has notes of cardamom, iris, jasmine, cotton. This fragrance is a brush on fragrance pen. It looks like this. You open it up. Here's your little brush. And you push down on this part right here. And then your product comes out of the pen. And then you apply it however you want to apply it. So this fragrance, Cloud Musk, is very different for me. The cardamom is very different. It has a, to me, kind of like a fresh scent. And I am normally the type of woman who prefers gourmand scents. I like things that smell sweet and vanilla-y. So this is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but you know, from time to time I like to try new things, and yeah, this is one of those new things that I'm gonna try. Okay, and then the other fragrance that I got from Mix Bar is this Vanilla Bourbon, is the other scent that I got from Mix Bar. And real quick, let me read you the scent notes for Vanilla Bourbon. It has bergamot, jasmine, apple blossom, Madagascar vanilla bean, and sandalwood. So yes, this is 1.7 ounce, and I paid $20 for this. Okay, the bottle is very, very basic, but you know, cute enough. So these fragrances from Mix Bar are very, very affordable, you guys, and you will not smell this. These fragrances that I chose do not smell like a teeny bopper. So you can get an inexpensive fragrance and still smell like a grown woman. Okay, so the last fragrance is called Whipped Almond, and this one is my favorite out of the 3. The scent notes for Whipped Almond include sweet milk, almond, iris, and sandalwood. It smells so good, you guys. This is one of those scents that you can use to help keep you warm on a cold night. All right, so this is very gourmand. This one and the Vanilla Bourbon are gourmand fragrances in my opinion. So yes, these Mix Bar fragrances, they are meant to be layered, or you can use them alone. It doesn't matter. So you can mix these with your favorite lotion, your favorite oil, or a different fragrance that will complement these. Oh, hey, you know, your options are limitless, okay? So, yeah, that is all that I purchased from Target. There are two other items that I want to share with you guys real quick that I purchased. One item that I purchased because I really, really love it, and that is this Hemps limited edition buttercream birthday cake lotion. Y'all, let me tell you, this lotion right here, it is so sweet. It is a gourmand fragrance. I am going to use this with both the whipped almond and the vanilla bourbon. This lotion is going to be my base. You will smell like so gourmand, so sweet, so gooey. But if you do not like gourmand sweet scents, you guys, stay away from these fragrances, except for maybe that cloud musk. So I wanted to share this with you. Okay, and then the last item is this. This is a perfume that my daughter brought home for me. She said that somebody on her job was selling these. This is a Middle Eastern fragrance, okay? She threw the box away. So to me, this is a mature woman, not meaning old lady. Mature doesn't always have to mean old lady, and there's nothing wrong with old lady. If God allows us, we will grow to be older women, okay? So this is a very mature scent. I don't know what the scent notes are, but I'm guessing, and I don't have the best nose and the best words to describe scent notes, so I'll try. There's a little bit of oud in here, if you ask me. There's a splash of incense in here. I detect maybe a little bit of jasmine. It's very soft, sweet, semi-floral fragrance. Now, take a good look at this bottle. It's kind of cheap looking, but it's cute. It's cheap but grown up looking as well. Look at that. And so you twist open the cap like so, and then you apply it, look at that, with this glass stick right here. So you would just put it where you would want to put the perfume, and boop, turn it to tighten it, and then there you have it. So the only information that I have on this, let me show you, is this. It comes from UAE, United Arab Emirates. And then it has this Arabic writing on there, and I don't know what that says, but yeah, that's what this is right here. So I like it, and I will be putting this in my perfume rotation this winter. Okay, so the item that I wanted to show you guys that I purchased from Amazon is this bag here. It looks like this. This is a canvas tote bag, and you can also, the strap is a detachable strap that looks like this, that you can use crossbody. So this is the bag right here, and most likely I will do a what's in my bag video on this bag right here. So I could see my husband over here, and I get nervous when other people are kind of like around me when I record. Okay, you guys, that is all that I wanted to share with you for this very quick haul. So until next time, everybody, stay safe out there, and thanks for watching. Bye.